Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best NFA regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. NFA Forex brokers are Forex trading firms regulated by the National Futures Association in the United States. The NFA is a self-regulatory organization that enforces strict compliance standards to ensure transparency, security, and fairness in the Forex market. Brokers under NFA regulation must adhere to stringent rules such as high capital requirements, anti-fraud measures, and detailed reporting standards. They also prohibit certain practices like hedging on the same account and high leverage, making NFA-regulated brokers known for their strict oversight and trader protection. Traders who are searching for some of the best NFA-regulated Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best NFA-regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a well-established online Forex and CFD broker that has gained recognition as a leading platform for trading a diverse range of financial instruments. With its focus on providing a comprehensive trading experience, Avatrade has become a preferred choice for traders looking for a reliable and user-friendly brokerage solution. Traders have access to various trading accounts tailored to meet the needs of different levels of expertise, from novice traders to experienced professionals. These accounts provide opportunities to trade major and minor currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, and other popular assets. Avatrade facilitates both spot trading and derivative trading, allowing traders to capitalize on market fluctuations and implement diverse trading strategies. Avatrade offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. At number 4 on our list is Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, Forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own trader workstation platform, IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint and family accounts, to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with Interactive Brokers. Coming in at number 3, we have FXTM. FXTM is a CYSEC and FCA regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. At number 2 on our list is Oanda. Oanda is a globally recognized online trading platform that offers comprehensive services for Forex and CFD trading. Established in 1996, the company has built a reputation for providing a reliable and transparent trading environment. Oanda offers competitive pricing, advanced tools, and flexible account types to accommodate both beginner and experienced traders. Oanda offers a wide range of trading instruments, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios across multiple asset classes. These include Forex, indices, commodities, shares, and cryptocurrencies. This diverse selection ensures flexibility and opportunities for traders of all levels. Oanda offers a range of advanced trading platforms tailored to meet the needs of both beginner and experienced traders. One of its key platforms is MetaTrader 5, a powerful multi-asset trading platform known for its enhanced trading tools, advanced charting capabilities, and improved order management. MetaTrader 5 supports algorithmic trading with expert advisors, offering traders greater automation and efficiency. Traders can also utilize TradingView, which offers intuitive charting tools and social trading capabilities, as well as Oanda's proprietary mobile trading platform, designed for a seamless mobile trading experience. These platforms ensure flexibility, comprehensive analysis tools, and efficient trade execution, catering to various trading strategies. Oanda offers a variety of trading account types designed to meet the needs of different traders. Their standard account is suitable for all traders, providing access to competitive spreads, zero commission trading, and a wide range of instruments. For high-volume traders, Oanda offers the premium account, which requires a minimum deposit or trading volume threshold and provides benefits such as volume-based rebates, a dedicated relationship manager, and fee reimbursements. The Premium Plus account is tailored for elite traders, offering greater rebates, exclusive trading resources, and additional perks like spread discounts and API access. Additionally, Oanda provides a comprehensive range of educational resources designed to support traders at all skill levels. These offerings include webinars, tutorials, and market analysis, helping traders develop their knowledge of Forex and CFD trading. Beginners can access trading guides and fundamental analysis tools, while experienced traders benefit from advanced strategies and technical analysis insights. With real-time market news and interactive learning material, Oanda equips traders with the necessary tools to enhance their trading skills and make informed decisions in the financial markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best NFA regulated Forex brokers, we have XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in the United Kingdom. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and FCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts except for the shares account have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM also offers a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you would like, and the amount you want to invest. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM also allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and more. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools such as MQL5 and Forex calculators if you are searching for any additional resources with XM. And those are some of the top 5 best NFA regulated Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.